welcome back to Girls Beauty. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below. If you have already subscribed to my channel, then make sure you have pressed the bell icon next to it so that you don't miss out the future video notifications. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys how you can style your wedding dupatta with different outfits in different ways. In case you don't have a wedding dupatta but you have heavyweight dupatta, this video is for you as well. So without much ado, let's look at the beautiful ways you can reuse and restyle your wedding dupatta or heavy dupattas.
So for the first one, take your dupatta and start making pleats. For this particular dupatta drape, you need a kurti with long slits. And then secure the pleats with the safety pin on your shoulder. And then take the edge of your dupatta and tuck it in your bottoms. I'm going to pin this corner of my dupatta for a softer look. And we are ready with the beautiful dupatta drape. This drape is perfect with the heavy dupatta or the border dupatta. This is such an easy style. You can drape your dupatta this way very quickly and it looks very pretty and elegant. Totally in love with these earrings. If you like them too, find the link in the description box. Carry a beautiful clutch to add more glamour to your already glamorous look. So for the second look, I'm wearing this Anarkali. It has this problem, beads are missing, but we are going to fix it with our jewelry. So I'm fixing the length of my necklace to cover up the missing beads. And again, this beautiful jewelry is from Yumuha. Jewelry is the most fun and most interesting part of your outfit. So take your time to pick your jewelry. I'm totally in love with the fitting of this suit and the V-neck at the back is so beautiful. Let's talk about the sleeves. It was a cold shoulder otherwise, but मेरे मम्मी कहते कि आई नहीं वधिया लगदा, cover कराओ. So I got it covered with the net fabric. So now it's time to style our dupatta. I totally love how colors are going so well with each other. This red dupatta is adding beauty to this otherwise plain outfit. So this way we are highlighting our dupatta and trying to cover our otherwise plain outfit. So this first style of wearing heavy dupatta is perfect if your outfit is plain and it doesn't have much flair. So now let's move on to the second style. For this one, take one end of your dupatta and start making pleats. I'm trying to make narrow pleats, but it can be a struggle because we are dealing with heavy dupattas. So in that case, take your time and don't go for very broad pleats. Try to narrow them down. I'm going to use a safety pin to secure pleats even at the end of my dupatta. And similarly, use safety pin on the other end of your dupatta. This drape looks perfect if you have Anarkali, which has heavy embroidery on it, or it has a very big flare. For the neater finish and to keep the dupatta in place, I'm going to add this beautiful golden waist belt to add more glamour to this look. Waist belt is a must wear for this look. For more neat and glamorous looks like this one, it is important that you carry a good clutcher and wear beautiful jewelry. So this type of dupatta draping looks perfect if you have shorter choli. For example, in my Anarkali, my choli part is short. Similarly, if you are wearing any lehanga which has shorter choli, this style will look perfect. I always wore this Anarkali with peach dupatta, but I must say with red dupatta this is looking very beautiful. What do you guys think? Next, I'm going to pair this beautiful dupatta with my lehenga. So I went for a crop top instead of the blouse which came with this lehenga. This dupatta draping is very common among Sabyasachi brides. So for this one, keep the pleats, and we are going to secure our pleats even till the waist. From there onwards, let your dupatta loose. Now take one corner of your dupatta and tuck it inside your lehenga, and that part will be covered by the loose end of your dupatta. So for this style, we are going to keep 70% of the dupatta in the front, and at the back only 30% of the length. Our dupatta draping is done. This is one of the most popular dupatta drapes for a lehenga these days. Make sure pleats are done properly and secured with a safety pin till your waist. And then with a beautiful fall, it is going towards your back. Heavy and bordered dupattas are the best candidates for this look. This is one of the best lehenga dupatta drapes and one of my favorite, because it only takes 2 minutes to drape your dupatta this way, and you are showing off your latkan and blouse properly. You are not covering any part of your lehenga with dupatta. In terms of hairstyle, I would like to keep a very simple one with hair on one side. It looks very elegant and still easygoing. What do you guys think of this look? So next dupatta drape is going to be with a sari. So I'm going to drape sari on these red pants, not the petticoat, because I'm draping this sari just for the demonstrations purpose only. So in your case, make sure you drape your sari properly. I went for a silk sari because the dupatta color was going very well only with this sari. Otherwise, you can pick any fabric that you like. So please excuse my sari skills. I'm not draping it very properly at the moment. So I'm just making sure my pleats look okay, and then I'm going to take dupatta, lift the pleats up, and then secure my dupatta with a safety pin. And then going to take my dupatta around towards my right arm. Don't pull your dupatta too much towards your right arm, because otherwise it won't look as a part of your sari, because it will split from the bottom of your pleats. So one way of carrying dupatta with sari is to have it on the shoulder, and this is how it looks. It looks like as if you're carrying a stole, but it is coming from sari, so it looks different. So second style is, instead of wearing your dupatta on the shoulder, move it on your arm, and this way it is not hiding any part of your sari or blouse. Sonam Kapoor, the style icon, introduced this way of draping your sari with extra dupatta, and it looks very pretty. If you want me to make a separate video on different ways you can style your dupatta with sari, comment below. Last but not the least, for this one I'm wearing a yellow shirt, light yellow shirt with my sharara, and I'm going to drape this beautiful red dupatta to completely transform my look. So for this one, I'm going to tuck one end of my dupatta more towards right hand side. So make sure it is not the center where you are tucking in your dupatta. It has to be more towards the right hand side. And then I'm going to tuck in the shirt in my sharara. This shirt's neck and full sleeves are looking a bit awkward with this look. So I'm going to roll my sleeves a little bit and change the collars as well. So this is how the dupatta drape is looking. It is looking more like a half sari, and I have done this before as well with my black sharara, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Requesting my son to close the door. And for the jewelry, I have picked up very beautiful heavy earrings from Umoha and a mang tika to go with this look. This is such an easy and quick way to put different pieces together and look glamorous and gorgeous. So with the help of jewelry, we have taken this look all together to a new level. This looks very heavy and you are ready to rock any party. If I'm asked to pick one look from this video to get ready for a party, it has to be this look. Please share your favorite look in the comment section below.
So out of all the styles which I showed today, please do let me know which one is your favorite by commenting below. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below. Another reminder, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and click on the bell icon next to it so that you don't miss out the future video notification. Because I'm posting videos regularly with tips and tricks so that you can look your best this wedding season. So on that beautiful and happy note, I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and take it easy. Bye!
दादी ने चेक
फिर मैंने रुआओ ना बेबी बस मैं हुने आ गई 2 मिनट होर दे दो बस ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਰਵਾਓ ਨਾ please. So now, so without
इतनी रखा
I hope
How dare you? तुम्हारा कोई हक नहीं बनता. तुम इतनी खूबसूरत लगो.